Okay, so this is the unboxing of my suit, Luka. Yeah, I'm really excited. This is my first commissioned fursuit. I have a fursuit I made myself, but this is from Fluffy Fursuits. Fluffy fur something of the sort. I'll put the tag like here or something. Yeah, they dropped it off personally to me. I'm excited to see my boy. Oh, I can already see him. They put him in a big bag. And then these are all the fun little goodies, I think. Which I think I'm gonna open first. Oh, their packaging is so cute. It's Fluff Fur Fursuits. That's their logo. They put a little note that says thank you so much for commissioning me. And for your patience. I had so much fun making Luka, and I cannot wait to see the journeys he goes on. I am keeping this because I am a hoarder when it comes to things. Whole care guide, which I will read, and I will probably laminate this too so I don't lose it. These are all of his swatch sheets, which I think it's pretty neat that they gave them to me. Ah, he has badges. Okay. He's so cute. I'm becoming very unmasculine real quick. It's my boy. That's their Instagram at too. Sorry, it's backwards. I love it. And that's the other badge. They gave me a slicker brush. I don't have one with the pushback, so that's really neat. I have multiple of the regular ones. I think this is a little, yep, a little repair kit, which I absolutely adore. I think that's pretty nifty. These, I believe, are his gauges. And a hair tie for his hair. Yeah. They're magnetic. Ah! Sorry. They're magnetic. I think so. That means I can make more of my own and probably do different gauges for him. And he has two of them, so. And replacement of its snake bites, just in case, which is lovely. These are his eyelids. He has both angry ones and half-lidded, which I'm gonna leave these in here for now. There's a lot of magnets though. I can feel them. Oh, these are his tongues. All of his different tongues. He has a short and a long one. Because he has 3 tongues in total. Basically, when I commissioned him, I made sure to grab all the extras I could. Little fursuit spray. It's meant to smell like cantaloupe too. Since that's what I asked. And this was the box they put it in. All that stuff in. Let's get on to my boy. Out comes his massive tail. Oh, oh, it's really nice fur. I'm glad they went with the charcoal colored fur instead of pure black, because it's more accurate to his character. Because his fur used to be a blue-black on his old reference sheet. I absolutely adore how they did his gray as well, because his gray bit is really hard to read, and they mastered it. It's very lovely. And they put like shaven fur here, which is, I actually think that's pretty neat. I normally use minky for the backs, but I like that they use fur. Here comes the main boy. His paws, I'm not looking at him yet. His paws are up in his neck though. I'm not looking at him. I'm waiting. They're so big. Oh, I love them. Oh, I'm gonna film so much videos in him. So worth the money. They're really nicely lined too. I have really small hands, so the functionality of him is gonna be really hard for me because my hands are tiny. Like, they barely fit in these. And that's why I make my paws usually really small. I love them. They're so so massive. It's real. Ah. I get to be my big cat. By the way, I had this persona since like 2019. He's real. Oh, I love him. Oh, this is Luka. He has so much hair, which I knew he was gonna have because I gotta see images of him. But this is my boy. I'm like a little kid on Christmas. I'm gonna put on his eyelids to see what they look like in person now. This one. These are his half-lidded, or no, angry ones. Rawr. And, or if those are half-lidded, I don't know. Yeah, these are his half-lidded ones. I didn't want to say stoner ones because he is a stoner, but those are his half-lidded ones. And I have them backwards, I think. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Look at him, and I think, yeah. I adore these so much. He did his scar minky, which I think is neat. I love him. I'm gonna put his gauges in though. Bro has too much hair to put in his gauges. Maybe it's from the back? Yeah, it's from the back, okay. I will probably take photos tomorrow at my partner's house because I don't want to take them here because my backyard is not as nice right now. At least I don't have to worry about these falling out because these are really hard to get in. There we go. Just pop those on. They fit really nicely. And I think the middle bit is, it's either PVA or 3D printed. They did his ear tufts perfectly. My boy. I gotta put it on his snake bites, which I think are magnetic as well. Let me find little baggies that had them. Don't tell me I lost them already. There we go. I'm like over here petting them, which they made them like a gunmetal kind of situation, which there we go. I'm gonna change out his tongue. Yeah, this is his original tongue. That's his middle length tongue. It's just like a little bloop out, which I adore. I think that's absolutely adorable. And there's like a penny or something at the end, so it helps it flop down. And this is his long tongue, which just lolls out because he's a little he's a little silly. Oh, okay, that just fell. There you go. The magnets are really well though, which is good, but I'm gonna put it back in the normal one. Okay, I'm gonna put him on finally. I won't put his hair up yet. Oh, he fits perfectly though, which is great. Ah. Yeah, he's not gonna move at all, which I love. Stop. I know he doesn't talk like that. I love him. My boy is here. His vision is actually really good, by the way. Like I can see perfectly through these. They're as good as the vision in my boy here. I want to know what. I'm very curious what mesh they use. Because it's not Ada. Because it's a little bit denser, but I absolutely love this. He's just cute. Let me put on his paws. I will have to change pants. No, I have waist belt. Never mind. Oh, the thing just came off. I heard it. I heard it, and I can't see. I can't see. Yeah, one came off. There it is. Ugh. There we go. Here, back on. I love you. I'm like a little kid. He was so worth the money. I have no complaints. Once I get full suits out, I'm commissioning a full suit of Luka. I will say. But I am gonna make him his own arm sleeves and whatnot, and his own bottom paws, feet paws. So he's so thank you again, Kay, for allowing me to commission you. I absolutely love him. I'll have a full suit video in a second, as in I am gonna pause this and change pants because I've been in pajama pants all day, and actually dress up for a video or two for him. But yeah, put him down real quick. Okay, this is just me shooting up in him now. Fun fact about Luka, he's a Norwegian forest cat. So he has a little accent too. His tail. I couldn't find my waist belt, so this one's the one being used. And it's a crappy belt. Turns out I have it backwards. So, do I? Yeah, I do. No, I don't. Okay. Yeah, I do. Okay. Apparently, I don't know how to figure out a belt. And this is why I wear a waist belt when I fursuit, because it is much easier than an actual belt. put it on backwards again? No? I did. Okay, I think I'm gonna switch belts because this one's just evil. I think I'm gonna try to find my waist belt because they're not as evil as this one is being. Okay, I got his tail on, that's what it looks like. Big ol' giant tail. I still didn't find my waist belt, but I put on a different belt. Be better if I had my waist belt, but it's whatever. Let's see if I can put his hair up real fast. Because I like it better with his hair up personally. Because I think it's adorable. Got his hair somewhat up. It's not the best, but it is up. So put him on. And then his paws. Yeah. The hair is making his head want to go back a little bit, but that's fine. But he's all suited up. So yeah. I will probably edit this video for TikTok though, so yeah. Or I'll leave this raw for YouTube, and just say his unboxing video is on my YouTube channel, for TikTok, because I am ready to film videos. So yeah. I'm just a big old cat and I love it.